For years, guys, we've been facing this problem of equality, let it be in the field of work, home, or anywhere in the world. People are constantly judging us, having opinions, and even in the field of beauty, it's a constant struggle. People are constantly judging whether we are wearing makeup or we are not wearing makeup, and honestly, it does not matter. Beauty lies inside, in the soul, in the heart. That's what I strongly believe. Not on the face, not on the body, it's inside our hearts. Hi guys, I'm Ritika. Welcome to Beautico. So today I'm going to show you whether you wear makeup or you don't, you are beautiful from the inside. So let's get started. So yeah guys, this is my face with makeup and this is my face without makeup, and honestly I love both. Beauty is associated with both. It does not matter. It is what you choose, whether you want to wear makeup or you don't. And also I wanted to mention that so many brands are coming out with makeup that suit us medium dusky skin tones. I'm so happy there's no inequality there. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you all did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, stay beautiful, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.